Hey everyone, Donnie here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey, today I have the GpToys 1/10 scale. This is the Judge. It's the Pro version. It's got twin 390 motors. On this channel here, I like to review drones, RC cars. I like to modify a lot of toy version stuff, and I have some professional products as well. If that's something that you like, definitely consider subscribing and hitting that notification so you can see what's coming up new on the channel. But first, let's get to that intro and then we'll get to a run. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back guys. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. Got this already out of the box. This one here has twin 390 motors. They're brushed. It's got oil-filled shocks. You got two on each side in the back here, and then you got one single shock on each side in the front. This one has some little metal skid plates, which makes it nice. It also has dual batteries, which are 7.4 volt, and these ones are 1600 milliamps a piece. They run parallel, so it's going to double up your milliamps, so you'll get some more runtime out of it. Or you can actually run it single. You could take an adapter off, which is a Dean's connector. But for more of that information, I'm definitely going to leave a link down in the description so you guys could check it out for yourself. Got a decent little controller that's got all the adjustments for you there. On this one here, you do have a manual, so it's nice color coded. It's got the parts list, so in case you ever need to replace anything. And also you have all your accessories here. They do give you two chargers for those two batteries that are in here. Some extra little pins to hold down the canopy. You got the cover right here that you can actually take off and just put one single battery in there instead of running dual. And it's got a dual Dean's connector, so that way you can run dual batteries and they run parallel, so that way you double the milliamps but not the voltage. But I'm going to go ahead and run both batteries today, see how it runs. It does come with a little light kit. I'm not going to hook that up today. I'm just going to do some bashing. Maybe show you that on another time, because I want to go and refill the oil shocks when my new oil comes in. I ordered some because it doesn't feel like there's much oil in there. So I'm going to go and do that sometime, and then I'll do a speed run on 2S and 3S later on in a video. But that's basically it, you guys. I'm going to go and get this thing out. Let's take it for a run and see how well this does. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, hey, I lucked out. These came off and I went around and tightened them already. Before I ran, I go around and I tighten all the lug nuts on there, and these ones still came off, so be careful. I'm gonna have to try to tighten them back on there. If they come loose again, then I'm definitely gonna have to put just a little bit of like a real light Loctite on there. You don't want to use the heavy duty stuff or you won't get it off. So I'll be right back. All right guys, that wheel coming off kind of made it the end of the video. I didn't want to go too long anyways. This thing runs for a long time, having those two batteries connected in parallel. It gives it more milliamps. So I wanted to take this off and show you guys that the sideways motors are right here. There's two 390 motors right here. They're brushed and they run really good. So I'm going to do a speed run 2S and 3S. So look forward to that. So definitely hit that subscribe button and the notifications so you can look forward to that video next. I'll also be adding some shock oil. I'm waiting for that to come in from Amazon. When I do get that, I'll leave a link for that as well. I'm going to go ahead and top these off, make sure they have oil because they feel a little soft to me. So I'm going to add some oil to those shocks. Definitely every time you get done, unplug this. And this is that plug I was telling you about that connects both batteries, Dean's connector into one Dean connector to the ESC. So it does run it parallel. It's not in series. So when it runs it in parallel, you're doubling the milliamps. So you're going to get almost twice as long run time. So the voltage will still stay the same at 7.4 volts, guys. So it's not gonna make it into a 4S. It'll still only be 2S. So you can just run one battery too. Didn't mention that, but if you want to just run one of these batteries, you can. It has that cover in that package I was showing you at the beginning of the video, and you can put that cover back on and it will close up. You won't need this Velcro strap. That's only when you're running both batteries. So GpToys, I appreciate you guys sending this out on Amazon. I'll leave a link down in the descriptions. Guys, click on that if you want to know more information about this truck or you want to purchase it yourself. So all right, appreciate you watching. God bless, guys, and be safe.